welcome. I'm Ruchi Bharani, and in today's episode we're going to make the most commonly eaten breakfast dish called the poha. It's also known as pohe in Marathi, pawa in Gujarati and avalaki in Kannada. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 cup poha or flattened rice, 1 potato chopped, coriander leaves, 1 onion finely chopped, half a cup of green peas, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of roasted or fried groundnuts, lemon juice, curry leaves, 1 and a half green chili chopped, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons sugar, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and for garnishing some save and 2 tablespoons of milk. So the first step is to soak the poha. For that I have a sieve over here. I'm going to add my poha into this sieve and I'm just going to remove the excess powder or the small granules, and then I'm going to thoroughly wash them with water. My poha is nicely washed, and now I'm just going to remove it in a flat plate. The first tip to make some nice fluffy soft poha is to soak it in a flat plate with enough water, and also give it a good amount of soaking time, at least 30 minutes if you have it, so that it doesn't become very dry while cooking. Put enough water. My poha has been soaking for half an hour and they become nice and fluffy. They've absorbed all the water. And now let's get cooking. My pan is heating on the flame, and now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, go in the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatter, I'm going to add in my curry leaves, my green chilies, stir them in, and I'm going to add my potatoes. Usually while we are cooking anything, we always add in the onions first. But my second tip to make good poha is we add the potatoes first and then the onions, because I don't want a very overpowering taste of the onions. So now I'm going to add in my onions. My onions go in. Don't let the onions become too brown. And now I'm going to cover this and let them cook. After a minute, I'm going to add some water. So just cover it and let it simmer. It's time to add some water, just a little bit, just enough for the potatoes to cook and not stick to the pan. And let's cover it again and let them cook. My potatoes are simmering in water for a minute. I'm also going to throw in my green peas so that they cook together. Cover it again. While my potatoes are simmering, I'm going to add my seasoning into my soaked poha. My third tip is, don't add your seasoning into the potatoes. Add your seasoning like your turmeric, sugar and salt and everything into the poha so that they mix properly. So first I'm going to add some turmeric powder, sugar. Sugar is optional. A lot of people like sugar in their poha and a lot of them don't. So it's up to you whether you want to add it or not. And some salt. I'm going to nicely mix this with my hand. Poha is also known as flattened rice or beaten rice. It's basically dehusked rice which is flattened, and it swells up when it's soaked in water. Let's check on our potatoes whether they are cooked. Just poke your spoon into it. Yeah, this needs just another minute or 2. So I'm going to cover it again. My potatoes are nicely cooked. Okay. And it's time to add the poha. Before that, I'm just going to throw in a little bit of coriander leaves. And I'm going to add my poha. Stir in well. Mix everything well. I'm going to squeeze in some lime. Say half a lime. And the fourth tip is my mom's tip. It's very important. Usually people don't do this. Just before serving or while you're reheating your poha, just add a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of milk and cover it and let it simmer for 1 or 2 minutes to regain the moisture. This way your poha will never dry out. So let's do that. Just a little bit of milk. Because while cooking they tend to dry out a bit. I'm going to mix this and cover it on slow flame for 1 or 2 minutes. And they're ready. Serve it nice and piping hot. My poha is ready to garnish, and there are a lot of things that you can garnish with. I'm going to add in some raw onions. All these garnishing ingredients are optional, so you can just add whatever you like. A little bit of coriander leaves. You can also throw in some pomegranate seeds. I have some fried peanuts, a lime veggie to eat it with, and some save. Up to you whether you want to use the fine save or you want to use some other kind of spicy save. And my nutritious breakfast is ready. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.